Akan TV, the internet, the bell, subscribe for more. Ebusianfo yemobibia akwaba ende anope eba Akan TV so dwumedi efe me manti ene de yatin se ekubatan amu sinema ye from 5 Park mekire Film Producers Association of Ghana omo to aba omo ye general election a omo be yi mpenifo mbeda eko kase ano na omo atoto nyoma amakoi na enum na Akan TV ya bowuruma ya ba bepiem culture center ewo Kumase na ha mino kase me kasa efi kwahye aidan ho na abatu ekoso eni ntumi anje be ni nhwe de ekoso ewo abatu emu na ewie ankonwetwe obi ano e de ababa hihye so me am de dwumedi ebra medin edebent Robert from the tattoo a onya mistake
international standard theater, and it's not good for this country and the region. We have to make sure we've had consultation with several investors, and we want to make sure we get a befitting international standard theater. The only place where people can perform is the cultural center. Look at this small place. I don't see any serious program that you can hold here internationally. And the old Premba Assembly Hall, I cannot even describe it. So it's time the region leads in ensuring that we have a theater and we also have an international conference center to host most of these activities. Since your day is packed, I don't want to take too much of your time. And besides that, I have some people waiting for me at my office from Fuasi. I'm sure you heard some incident that occurred, shooting incident that occurred when we attempted relocating the capital of Achomakwa Moma from Fuasi to Kedie, and some people even lost their life. It was just last Tuesday that we made payments to them. Unfortunately, one family, the deceased had a daughter, and they didn't bring the daughter. They never brought the mother of the daughter. They did not bring any family member of the daughter. And me, I've suffered that. Mine wasn't that my father was shot, but my father died very early when I was young. December will be 50 years that my father died. And I know the difficulties that I went through before having my education. And I don't want that small girl to go through the same difficulties. So we failed to pay them. We are going to appropriate it to make sure that small girl's interest is taken care of. So I'll rush back, go and meet them, and then we can apportion it appropriately, basing it on the laws of the country, that is PNDC law 111, where person dies intestate. Then we apply that law to make sure that we get good investment for the small girl to continue with his education. On this note, forgive me for not staying too long, and I pray that you will elect leaders who are qualified, who have the potential to lead your industry to the higher heights. Your success is our success. Your success is the success of this region and Ghana, and you will serve as the shining star for the country across the globe. Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck.
It is my hope that in the next general meeting of 5 Park, it will not be Honorable Simon Semen Sahabe, to be myself standing here as a regional minister. Honorable, we would like to say a word of thank you to you. We are highly grateful for this attendance out of your tight schedule. 5 Park film producers and all the film stakeholders, we thank you so much for honoring our invitation. May Almighty Allah bless all you in all your endeavors. Thank you very much. Let's give him another round of applause. we will receive other visitors as they come.
Thank you. Please, I will continue humbly from where I left off. I was mentioning the names of the executive members. I think I got to the treasurer, Alberta Ukoti. The financial secretary is Ernest Atta Abuaje. Our PRO and welfare officer combined is Madame Rosaline Ose, executive member Boss Smith Jr. and executive member to Paul Eje. Introduction. First and foremost, we, the executive members of FIPAC, as well as the general membership, will give thanks to our God Almighty for bringing us this far. As executive members, we must say that it has not been an easy road at all. The challenges were enormous. The market for local movies was non-existent, highly non-existent when we took office. Technological change from replication on DVDs or VCDs to the use of digiboxes also affected the sales of our movies greatly. Telenovelas in the local language, predominantly Twi language, the Twi language was and still is our bane. Piracy was a big problem that we had, and it still is a problem. The negative effect of TV stations showing our movies extensively on their airwaves also had its debilitating effects on our industry. The membership drive was one big challenge that we had. Then the absence of exhibition centers made it impossible for us to bring back exhibition. These are a few of the numerous challenges that we had, and we still have. FIPAC has two offices: Greater Accra Region office in Accra, an extensive meeting in Kumasi at the Golden Gate Hotel. This was an attempt to extend our film market and re-establish the regulation of our film market. We thought we could bring the regulation back, FRB, but then we were seriously and woefully affected by technological change. And then TV and telenovelas and digiboxes. So that is what led us to go into a demonstration with the support of our honorable members and the other players in the movie industry. The executive members organized a peaceful demonstration through the principal streets of Kumasi, after which a petition was sent to the Marshal Palace. A delegation met the king, Otumfuo Osei-Tutu. He set up a committee that was very helpful to our cause. The demonstration was geared towards solving the challenges posed by the effect of Twi novelas and the lack of adequate local content on our televisions. There was virtually no local content like it happens in Nigeria. The positive results of this demonstration cannot be overemphasized. Afterwards, we had several meetings with our Deputy Minister of Communications, Mr. George Anda, as well as the Minister of Communications, Mrs. Esla Owusu-Edufu, and the Minister for Information, Mr. John Opon Nkrumah. I remember our brother, Mr. Emmanuel Sapon, if I have to acknowledge him at this stage, wrote a paper at that very early stage in 2016, which was sent to the minister, and we had several meetings in connection with our local content. Broadcasting bill. Our inputs have been captured in the broadcasting bill. As stated above, through several meetings held at the Ministry of Communications and the Ministry of Information, we were finally able to achieve 60% of local content on our local TV stations against 40% of foreign content. I will advise my honorable members to take advantage of this, because this is law, gradually going to be turned into law, and so we need to capitalize on it and make sure we produce a lot of local content for our TV stations as soon as this broadcasting bill is passed into an act. And that's one of the efforts we made. We were actually looking out for 70% local content as against 30% foreign content. But they told us that we have to migrate gradually. So at least what we have been able to achieve is 60% local content. And our members should take advantage. Thank you. The film hotel, government was lobbied to see to the setting up of exhibition halls for cinema theaters. Currently, an existing cinema theater in Bofobia has been refurbished. It was at the same forum that the executive members suggested the setting up of a TV station for FIPAC. There have been a lot of follow-ups by the executive members, and that was where the idea came from. On what we had was a tourism TV and a Jago TV. So I remember going to the base and reminding them that what we were actually requesting for was a TV station for FIPAC, so that FIPAC members can take advantage. My honorable incoming executives to do that follow-up, because those letters are still there in the ministry. Loans for members. We have presented proposals to MASROC for loans to enhance and increase our productions. The necessary documentation is almost completed to allow our honorable members to access the facility. When we followed up in July, we were promised to hear the good news in September this year. After handing over and giving the membership drive, regional branches, Southern Sector FIPAC. Southern Sector FIPAC has been formed with the interim executive members working hard around the clock to keep up members' interest in the association. Initially, we didn't have anything like the Southern Sector FIPAC. Now we do have. We implore our incoming executives to put in more effort and keep it up. The interim executive members are yet to visit the Ashanti region. The association's membership in the Ashanti region has gone up during our tenure. That's a fact. FIPAC Northern region. The executive members of FIPAC were in Tamale this year. We listened to the complaints of our members and the pending issues were resolved amicably. Today, I'm happy to announce that they are in our midst. Our 20 members from Northern Sector are here, and I just want to see the opportunity to have this opportunity to acknowledge them, to acknowledge their chairman, Mr. Rashid Bawa, and the rest of them. Can you be asked? FIPAC Upper East Region. The FIPAC executive members have been contestants. Good luck, and we pray for a very successful election. Thank you, and God bless us all. Long live FIPAC, long live the film industry, long live Ghana. Thank you.
Our president's club is too small. Let's give it to him once more. I'll say, FIPAC entena hoda, film industry entena hoda, Ghana mine entena hoda. Utie ye penny no report or the bayana, or shall see free 30th September, a year 2016, no lepem and 16 September. Now ye penny no ma ye dina who said, a year executive so mobile ye na adripa e wumutrim, or we ye be send empeni kanon se be ma be yebi na wanyere nyina na emo wotwe yese wotwe ahoma free soro wotwe ahoma na se ema na bibi ekuramu ewo soro wa kire ye de broni friend challenges a enunti ye ni so di hunu ye ntumi anya ni nyina obo se broni friend bi Paris se de ene de aye se de technology apa say ye dwumadie se de broni friend global world say your foreign movies any other countries no movies na ababe toku Ghana na amadwumadie na aye den se ne kane no se ne 5 pack dwumadie etie no enunti na ye pemi ka se de ye pen no ye ntumi adu ho nanso kakra ye tumi ye na obobo so no o ka se ye ba ye no embassies ye shedane ye embassies ni nyina etu anamo eme no mu nyina tra se ma baby a na omuyure fi 5 pack no ye se ko kai every connecting sa embassies no enam so ma ye mu bebre enya akwanya etutu kwan ewo amamaya ana obo embassies ewo hase o kan se ye ne aban akabo IT dwumadie bebre ye bi kan ye communication ministry the Ebony friend digital migration na oman ne pese okono o se 5 pack aban no anye no ye ne aban no bom e ma ye committee a o mutena sai dwumadie no no na 5 pack embenifo no bi eka ho e ma ye nyina ko free e ma 60-40 local content say ye television so no say ye shase migration no esipia ye senior be yi no TV so no o say ebu 60 eye Ghana for sini etoso bi o say foreign productions on be in Ghana ha no ye nkuta hodie no kosi say 70% of artists crew members any your friend say workers na omo be ye dwuma e was our production no mo no free Ghana ha say etwato efa aban afam no say ye ne Ministry of Tourism any Attorney General edi nkuta hodie ekopem say Eli ya eno na aka say ye ema ye film law na aban apase no ye betumi de edi dwuma de body friend Ella legislative instrument no eno 5 pack di ho akutini ye Abu
Habib Banda Adolf Adujanfi Adam Godfred Ajwa the drum kwana Ajima Badu Frempong Ahmed Adam Ahmed Banda, Ahmed Muhammad Sule, Ahmed Osman, Ahmed Sani, Akofa Ajay Asiebi, Albert Kuvodu, Alberta Upot Wama, Alex Afesibuatu, Alexander Keupuku, Alaji Abdullah Mujis, Alaji Nuhu Abdullah, Alaji Rashid Power, Alaji Sidi Kubaru, I remember, Alasan Alaji Muhammad, Alasan Ali Muhammad, Alasan Faisal, Alasan Dahanfu, Andy Oche Adolfo, Anthony Kwadu Amwa, Anthony Usu, Aprete Asiama Apasi Abua, Atiaba Chris, Augustin Abi, Baba Alex, Rasul Ayanga, Rasid Osman, Ben M. Moro, Benjamin Abuaje, Benjamin Bright Amofa, Benjamin Kujo, Benjamin Sapo, Bennett Lawson, Bentel Roberts, Billy Abote, yo, Kaza Abote, Bintu Fatao, Bintu Fatao, Bosmith Jr., Cecilia Asare, Mrs. Chantel Nana Akia Abdoma, Charles Boateng. Okay, Charles Boateng, Christopher Dazi, Christopher Dimo, Christopher Tulasi, Clement Amakwa, Clement K. Ntim, Collins Asante, Collins Asante, Comfort Atim, Daniel Kwadjo Safo, Daniel Nisaba, David Opon Checheku, David Masterwell, David Mensa, David Opon Dixon, Douglas Odame, Dr. K. Adensi Pimpi, Jifa Akpatape. Wow. Ebenezer Ankra, Ebenezer Suahene, Ebenezer Osebos, Eric Owusu Asante, Emmanuel Fiye, Emmanuel Amapa, Emmanuel Grobe, Emmanuel Ette, Emmanuel Kwakucha Martin, Emmanuel Kwame Opon Mespa, Emmanuel Owusu Sapon, Emmanuel Roxon, Emmanuel Yao Afrifa, Osei Owusu, Eric J. Mensa, Ernest Atta Abuaji, Ernest Wampo, Eugene Yabua, Eugene Murat, Evander Pame Ajamai. Eugene is absent. Wow. Evander. Wow, man. Okay. Wow, okay. Evans Kumi Wadebo. Rezana. Wow, man. A.K.A. Rezana. Evan Asampana, Felix K. Ahe. Fosu Echampo, Francis Afote Benson, George Walker, Dab, Godfred Kojo Krofi, Godfred Kwansa, Godwin Ni Kote, Dasi Bano, Habib Salish, Habiba Lassa, Hajia Hawa Mizongo, Mohammed T. Mensa, Hannah Davis Boateng, Hans Rudolph Jediba, Harrison Bofuri Ajiman, Halilord Kweti, Helomabo Ibrahim Alas, Ibrahim Idris Abubakar, Inyawu, Isaac Bempa, Isaac Esho, Isaac K. Fosu, Isaac Pavla Chan, Isaac Nana Ahe, Isaac Ufuri Ben, Isaac Raphael Avoga, Isaac Joe Ismail Joe Jamfi,
absent.
Isaac Kwesi Owusu, Isifu Yabua, Jackson Kepentu, James Abuade, James Osei Tutu, a.k.a. Anyway, James Tumasi Ankra, John Zell, Johnson Bulle, Jones Adimai, Joseph Ebi, Joseph K. Srebo, wow, Joseph Mensa, Kache Kwame Apia, 24th man, Kafui Jevenu, Khalifa Adams, Khalifa, Scenario Bar for message, Ken David Donko, Ken for Quincy, oh, he's gone, Kingsley German, Kofi Asamoah, Kofi Bohemen,
Calendar.
Kabampa Ghanaians, Kabawille, Cabanenta, Tina, Mania, leadership, my job too.
Osina respect here, and it's a man yet to Asante say you can Asante film Gua, and answer the combat films of Gua. Yen to a year, a mamre, a Hudua, a walk of money, now a Japadia, a resource, yet to me, every body sitting one, yet to a deal, Becoka.
There was a young man that I said, Bumps and Shamadan, Selma Polo, Tenabati and Selection, Katsanamisi, Kabakana, and Tutu, Africa, Ghana, Zosa. That's a man of them.
But see, I'm actually a mamre to Hawaii. That's how a mamre, and I was in Tinaso, a man than a D, a call, a mamma in Aso.
But I think I'm going to the Kaman 5 pounds. Producers them so comes out from Omar Tapso that the same man and John Tone now don't buy back now something that's
or see then to me fire Mamremo and call a Mamma or also said you check any man five any from leadership Zimbo any one popular actor a producer ever blogger with your partner is a broadcaster. You're very assault. You're too and I assault more. Okay, assault for you're very free to move back. What about the deliver? So that's the message from assault. As a boy, the man said, "My support brother." Good afternoon once again. The president and the executives and members. I bring more greetings from the audiovisual perspective of Ghana. Open to our few and yes, sir, over to me upon the every hand.
Nidende Berima Asumadu Sechi Kumawu Deshi. Here I am, University degree. I was for young Montanas, the Giannis CFU, and I'm free at the Bremen. I didn't hear and then when you get this Basho. You give out to say hello. We give out to say 5 pack. Mochi, I come more and then you will get this air for sure. Unlike Munyanum, and then no Jacob, Chinana, Catholic report. Young folk, and I am for a modern shimmer town watching. Number Yaka said, of mine a cup, you can say. Many as well as all share a big grimoire. Hollywood, who shares the Musi, a bomb by Nessica, a deep bomb mine, a deep bomb mine. Yea, young Nigeria, what will you show up? I want to say the Musi, a crowd industry. Said a new woman. I also a bomb mine. Now, share ye Muha, as a yacht more Jimuna having a crack. The same thing said. You should must want tea. Munam, Yamam, so the room. Munam, you are more so into a man for a day, about my day. Obunibaka's education, which your chief papa, a decision. Now, so as a day, on my pretty for any new one and a half in a car. Because I have any and into the family is the master in penny for my one can be is a rough one no high. Mama in home No more penny a poor for. And so when you machine you now more be also what we young national. Engineer now for the now you mapa yeah. Make us say that in Nigeria foreign materials actually more do my farms. Not just my farms. Get on way TV near this. Foreign materials, foreign films. That's what come young behind that. Young Cassasi will be. Young Cassasi will be each your money and rent in your mother way above. Come most of us will be like another one. You share films that I told you so and all that. After they say no, some every money. That's what you are for. Only be a non be. When you are your dog, you have some money in my bum. Then you should grab the money in the your bomb of us. Yes, you crying. Say, get there, that's it, every day. And my papa, you say, and my papa, I watch you. Me faso and some. About to a moment to a bush of four. Muni simple a walk on Messi and Johnny. Sabre, baby, if you believe you are in essential. And if you do not make good use of this opportunity, you better not assume what you feel. Meaning the airport to say the medical camera. And to wow, what's now the poor man. Shania, near a boy, near a pig of room, no, the account of my gun, and a shena to a bam. Yet the church may be at the two apart, as a BSA, as been a number of so share in your music of water, baby, airport and some happening. In our case, you're too young than that. The better, the best friend. The Queen Cosso, a sentiment also, Ghana Cosuti. Shall to a mamma of Pampa Passo. I'm a what a wing picture. A man paid for the bam, I ain't paid for with my dinner queen. A queen, your Queen Cosso, and your one casa open for you. Madame Massi, not on my
What a powerful speech from Oberima Ashimadu said. Or say, Apana hear that one. Let that vote because of FIPAC. Think of FIPAC when you are voting. Don't think of any personal or any other reason. Thank you very much. Dear Dre Alexander Opoku, Election Committee Chairman. Momeji Mutumedi na Yeldi Ahome. Madam Watson. Secretary Midas. If I would tell Memuna, and I say, so this year as we need to be to say. Sadly, I do say a true election also. Na answer na yɛbɛto so yɛbɛyi candidates ni nyinaa kyerɛ na obiara bɛka asɛm kakraa bi akyerɛ honorable members na ɔmo ka wɔn asɛm biara na presidential debate no sese no aka mmienu the president na ɔmo contest for president no aka Director James and ɔmo yɛ bi debate no debate no take here only 1 hour ɛmo so because ɛbɛma ɔmo kwan 10 minutes na obiara de aka n'asɛm owia enipa num ne bebusa obiara question 5 ubusa baako ubusa ni yo next one uni ka ubusa question 4 bebusa
nti nipa 5 ebi busa James na 5 so busa ọkọ ewia at least 1 hour no ebeti akọba amaya che abatos ti Samuel me free executive members na moda Roma and also me be to the platform so Mispa Kwame Omameti say also wasi for our executive members no na nti also aka Nana Oti and Big G omo bi na aka the same me friend Christopher Dazi IBG executive member me ba cha me ma meet ni o kaseria oyi
yo me nua no fa park members me mo bibia aha energy me bel for me mama ha me se mo ni kasa ya do na ni ti fa dikti ba book no am ni edi a wa fi Christopher Dazi eno bibia de be mu the American say me sire mo se mo na me ko executive member enti a me sire me say e wo nyuma bebre wo Papa, I do not know. I said, yeah, boy, a man of course. Yeah, the president, Leno Beccanina, Nina Melocodo, and you also bay. Nay, for some time, the entire court, the president of Abedina, I did a bit and I can because the percent, the backbone, maybe to say, we are administration to buy or make the BBI any aqua. It means the breaker, the American said. Montomae, don't make a deal heavy hand. Yabasha, I'm on your head, Madame. Big Dear Soy James or say to Nana Oti. Nana. With my country, by do presidential, you're called for. Good afternoon. The patrol, the papa, you are not paying for a quality. Outgoing executives, the Mamuni Naha. Me, you are not my part members. Actors, directors, the child media and the NBA. We did James for 72. The deal we are doing and I'm and I'm going to say, they make an assembly and they time back. Madam Asipi said, Yamami Aponya. The rural film industry, is starting from music. And I'm the film industry. We started as an actor, and I'm the follow crew, a director, and I'm fighting here, a producer, yeah, and then the Company Producers Association. Now, yeah, industry, you know, say, you choose as a leader, that you are bracket, you can say, oh, you're paying or so soon. Now, Miss Women, I know film industry, man could be because of said, men person will call on a country and the person young million. Now, Miss Wadin will say, I was sending to the boy, Namaka so, Namaka so, Namaka, a good find to a flag. The action, a Jima bar or Maka said, Nibody by their friend and Nabuti of a woman film industry, creative arts, a fan to my if right. Now, a penny for the Paco for you and a draw, and a Paco for the South Sudan Kata. Master executives are all Naya Basset. In young and couple, a courier. Now you begin Timma, and it's true, and in a slow, and your mouth 5 pack.
Esan sɛ si yɛ nyanya mesuro ɛyɛ tema ɛyɛ ɔdɔ a yɛ di ne nso kuo no ne mmom no president ɔbɛba ɛde kɔsi yɛne a yɛbɛyɛ executives ne so no obi bia a ɔbɛyɛ ekuo mu president vice secretary position obi ewu bia no me na wo ti menim deɛ mahoɔden nyansa isae ni yare bibia wɔ sɛ de wa yare mahoɔden ɛta n'akyi ama yɛafɛ ntoma ɛfura ɛda ma sisi
That's it. That's it. They are also a treasure. But the devil is saying, Ebenezer, Kwame, and Suya, Kasu. Abusiafo me ma obi biara fiber executives na we na ayɛ ne gyina ha yɛ fɛn ne sa Kwame Asɔre Castro Productions na yɛ bi mo bi na asa na dan mo adi ɛsɛ me ba bɛfa treasure position no na mapa mi aba sister Abeta ɛyɛ ne Mubɛboa no mato aba no na nso aba bɛtoa so ade ntina mekasa asɛm no kyerɛ sɛ na wɔtumi adwuma yi akye bebree paa ma market sini Ghana ha nyinaa masan so distribute sini ɔwɔ Ghana ha nyinaa na mehwɛ sɛdeɛ fiber ɛsi kasɛm ɛne sɛdeɛ yɛnkɔ nkwabuo ɛwɔ ɛsi ka ɛba mfutuo ɛne sɛdeɛ yɛdɔma si kɔna na yi mu abi a mopɛsɛ bɛto aba ɛma no na mbɛbɛsɔ sɛ adwumadie mu na nso so bɛtoa so madaro obuo ne nipa so sɛ meba a mmara a yɛ fiber constitution ɛhyehyɛ ɛma wo a wɔyɛ treasure ɛsɛ woba a mmara sei ne wɔsɛ wodi so no mɛdi so na mahwɛ sɛ mɛyɛ adwuma a ɛde kɔmudie ɛne wo sebɔ ɛbɛbrɛ mu bɛda basɛ na mehyira Kasu, that's the mission. But 2 minutes.
Good afternoon, honorable members. Mr. President, good afternoon. Executive body, good afternoon. Election committee, good afternoon. Yedinamia says, and Mr. Mobijina say we stand as treasurer for FIPA Film Producers Association. Meeting a Kafui Jiveno, me actress, me producer. I have 15 movies to my credit and some TV series. I am a mother, a very responsible one, and above all, I am a reverend minister of God. I am highly honored to be here aspiring for the position. You all bear with me, say, the financial status of every equal in Myanmar, and FIPAG has given us a structure. I almost say every treasure equal. My already said, when the president is elected and the executive body, we know that's nothing. Not every year they have a budget for a corner because they have budget for a corner and they need to exceed the budget so that we don't run into excess. I will account every penny to the executive body and to the FIPAG Association as a whole. Mumaya will say, Yaman Oba and Obama, it's Adi Piagano, Oba Kamwa Ede. Bearmans come one a Yama about any balance. We are bad, no way, Bearman. Set your bear, a niche ever cooling. About one, we Latina, a win for all the women in FIPA and for the head of every home who is a man is also a win for you all. God bless you.
Thank you, Ifa. That's it. Hey, a horse, yes, Thank you. The president invited guests, the media houses, honorable FIPAC members, and the electoral committee. Permit me to speak cheap so that it moves faster. The members of the Kenya said they didn't have the Maui Peter. Now they contested for the national PRO for FIPAC. Mobekaya 9 years ago, Michinekong, Mishifo, 6 years ago, Michinekong, Mishifo, and then Masayapa, and then TV About the person said, I don't need media friendly again because I've been a radio presenter for 17 years. Until when it comes to selling FIPAC, and Yama say any Rebecca to my media any problem. Yena says all the FIPAC PR welfare Eshawasi. And as a father of 3, I know what it means when it comes to welfare. Ebeya said here and the maker say I'm a people apple. Ebeya kakra yes a boy and pass SS na here my brother will produce that. And only idea people say every FIPAC member are AC that. Everything for the entity Kakra say a see a broad cassa de a more taking Fache, Sana and the body in the Via, the BDA at the phone, the BDA so a cost. The other day said the FIPAC will maintain and will be the remedy of that. Among for us, I can say a politician, and to what my mayor politics, I had a prayer, me NDC executive member, meet me FAC. But don't let us forget, sitting here for 50 governments of Etwaba on a sheer politician. Moment for politics and a from 20, I indeed a Juma appropriating I. Kakabit can say, me need the Coco administration, I Juma paying. Under Mr. Chimisi. Mene Mr. Hackman so I Juma pay. Me na say movie to my nima I just say a for every that is the anti-piracy. My young Ghana it's the for maybe I dance here one movie not with my baby 2 months I will not with I anti-piracy attitude I got caught I never made mistake. Now it is your fault men say the American man say when you vote Emma abroad this time out, you will see the best PRO FIPAC has ever had in life. Amen.
Abroad that's about the other say director 1 50 Gabby. For PRO.
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Frank Fifi Gabi. You can call me Director 1, and I am not a politician. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, the work of a PRR, he is supposed to be the spokesperson of the association. And when we are talking about the spokesperson of the association, he needs to understand the language of firm. It means professionally, technically, you should understand firm. And when you go to seminars, workshops, and as a representative of FIPAC, and you cannot speak the language of firm, then it means you cannot fit or you cannot be the PRO of FIPAC. you go and meet other stakeholders and they are speaking the jargons. The engineers, they have the jargons they speak. The doctors have the jargons they speak. So if you don't understand the language of film, you don't fit to be the PRO of FIPAC. And I have been to University of Ghana, studied film, theatre arts and English with specialization in radio, TV and film. I've been in the industry for 20 good years. I've directed a record 120 movies for film producers. And with this, I have the language of film on my fingertips. As a PRO, I will not be just a talking PRO, because if I'm talking, anyone I talk can go to radio and talk. I am going to be a writing PRO. We are going to write to international bodies to affiliate ourselves with. We have film festivals that we need to write to. They need volunteers. Let us affiliate with them. Let's write letters to them so that they bring us invitations. Send some of our members to go there and receive training. We need to rebrand FIPAC. We need money in our pockets. I am going to be that researcher. I'm not just going to talk. Okay, so I'm going to research to make sure that the digital migration that we are entering into, we will make sure that we get digital platforms, distribution platforms, whereby we can market our films. I've done research, and as I'm talking to you now, my movie is on Amazon Prime. And that means if our movies can go to international platforms, we are going to make money. And as welfare, when you are sick and you have money in your pocket, you not come to FIPAC for money. On this note, I am calling for the wind of change from the east, west, south, and north to blow now to bring the change that we need in FIPAC. Thank you.
If I tell you, financial Samuel Ofosu Ampere, PRO financial secretary on point excellent. Financial secretary.
Yeah, hello, Mr. Chairman. Members, good afternoon. Papa Cho, we are coming to write. Yes, it's true. They didn't come off. They won't say, we don't see them writing. We are any politicians. I could find them there. Come up. They are called. Your financially, Mobile cool. Yanni members in the Juma. And you will be a community. Yes, I know the evening said I'm one every. As a service to support to anything. Maybe gas up on it. You to Mamma.
I feel a couple and yes. Dear Guru, hey, Secretary Franco Nero Kusa, Secretary, also Onokwani, by Beto Swaba.
Good afternoon. My name is Franco Nero Kusa, and I'm contesting for the post of the Secretary. First of all, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of outgoing executives, Mr. President, our elders, other bodies that has been invited. I'm not here, I'm a man of few words, and I'm not here to bore you with long speeches and all that, please. The work of a secretary is basically about correspondence, and I'm more or less the administrative head of the association. So that's like everything comes through me, and everything that goes out comes through me. So therefore, I need to make sure that the right thing is done. As a secretary, I have the right to make suggestions. I have the right to question things that are not going on well when it comes to decision making. But that does not mean that I don't have anything to offer. No, I have a letter to offer as a secretary. I have a lot in my heart that I want to talk about. These are the things that are affecting the film industry. And it has to do with our database. Our database is in a lot of, it's not in order, let me put it that way. It's kind of scattered. And we need to make sure that, if we want to have a very strong film industry, then we need to have, or we need to go back to our database. I understand the Hackman administration started a database collection for filmmakers, which was headed by our brother Michael Ola. But if anybody wants to have anything to do with the film industry, being it contract, being it collaboration, even with the government, it comes down to our database. And looking at our number compared to the population of the country, we are the number of the film producers we have, it is too small. And if you don't see to it that we increase our numbers, government bodies will not take it serious. Industry, well-structured industries who want to have business with us will not take us serious because our number is too small. So if you want people to respect us and take us for serious, then we need to make sure that we bring in people who are still producing, people who are still in the industry, people who are not part of the Film Producers Association. We need to do our best and bring them into our system so that we can have a strong and enforceable association. The other thing has to do with our constitution. Our constitution is at bone. It needs amending. It's something we need to work on. If you want to have a strong association like FIPA, we can't still continue using our constitution. We need to make changes. We need to work on that. New members who are introduced or who are registered to join the association, new members who are registered to join the association, we need to make sure that we make the constitution available to each and every one of them, especially the members. Whoever joined the association should be given the constitution instead of dues cards. Because if the person knows the rules and the regulations of the association, you will not have problem paying dues and all that. So our constitution is very important. It's something that we need to work on. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Frederick Fifi Hayford. I'm contesting the post of Vice President. We cannot say to Miss Waba, I'm Vice President of FIPA. Now, I send you to America. I want to say, lucky unity, any communication. And to say, I don't and I mean, I'm a message I interrogate the members and also letting out being a wife to the president, vice one I wife, and my president, you know. The football BI, I was a man also, not a member unity, any communication, the flow, about that with the answer. Mr. Speaker, I was a point to our
Vice President. I'm very blue. I'm very the Pacho and share on the side. President, 2 candidates. Many can't say we cannot make us. Oh, 10 minutes. I will counsel you. Tell me sorry. Just.
Good afternoon, honorable members. Good afternoon, Mr. President, President of the Director General of Government. My name is Theo Omoba. Into brackets, Isaac for it, Informa, Daniel, Yana Malensa. Mama and Kano French being as a president is a title, but your words makes you be a leader, not a title. If you want to be a good president, it's based on the implementation that you portray to the system, that people will know that, here. And one more thing, lack of unity. You are too painful, I will invest to you now to a book. And we boycott those leadership, those gurus. Alaji Gado, Ajia Mejo, Boni Panifo, including Bob Smith, Miracle from Mr. Idikoko, Oma Metiambo, you know them. As we have to call all those gurus near Pombaino as council of elders within the industry. Now you making sure say they will be our backbone. So far as they are there in terms of any illegal issue is concerned, they can rather come in and rescue us. Now you're yet free. And see the kind now for the folk. Near more to me. No, we know what they now say we are 5 packer. Not just a winning simple, for me, Tawaji, Etino, a baby beer, you will come up for. And the whole entire society like 5 pack. You know, so we can never fight for any illegal issue is concerned. We can't fight for it. Yeah, and see the making sure say your directors did of Ghana, your performance, a association. Now, they are all producers, but we don't know. When we say we should define the word production now, producer now, you should all know that said. So for us, someone is there producing sound, the person is a producer. He used to produce sound for the production to come on. And also camera. And yes, shooting will be not taking the script to the audiovisual right to become intellectual property for you to gain living and royalties, you know. Or also a producer or producer camera. They are all producers, and the financier using his or her money to finance the project is a producer. And the material, as you say, 2024 now, one team, now you can't fight in terms of decision making is concerned. Now, over to the now finalizing the whole issues. Here, support Sandakus, Jackson KB2. Now the committee for events creators on the nothing. I'm yet to make an event like I was because we Nipa now and the kind of the personality name you see say I probably then you vote for that person. This time we are not going to sit down to use the old administration and the old executive again. We are ready to assist and protect the image of this industry. We are not cowards. I've been in military for 12 good years. I have military taxes. And we have to push forward. We should stop this area. We have some paper or paper on that one. Can't take a try to present the duty of a producer in terms of program or growth million percent or maybe now say, oh, are you a producer? Where is it? Well, and I say, oh, go. You give me the whole association in this society say, oh, it's the duty of every producer to submit his or her movie to the fiber office so that we know the massive data that we have. So we sit down with the answer with the same data to control the system. We are not going to be fools. We will fight and fight with the president's office to lobby for our assistance. We should be very serious and not looking through a paper before I speak because the mentality is working. Don't take that understand that I'm there in favor of them. So they should vote for me in terms of the military status and audacious and sagacious attitude is broken. We should put this industry from where it is. We have some people that can do something special to assist this industry. We boycott those people aside and they're doing anything rubbish. One thing, through the premiere, Mami, 1 second. And right now, you're premiering. What is the assistance as a president to be? What is the assistance that you have for the association? For my assistance, one, I will say, your bills, miracle case, Mr. Chuma, see what happened. Your case with me, you pay you for that 5 every more and back. Yet, you know, as marketed, they will go out and bring sponsorship to our table. And if you go for them, put on their benefit, they will bring them to our purpose. And I was saying, Nimidiani Nasa, and Mla Solomon, and Yapana, Lady Solomon administration constitution so training. He used his wisdom to testify who their mother is. Was it Chocolate? Where the eye cannot say away, Mama, that is the wisdom. At times we don't base on who, we base on somebody who has such wisdom to portray the system, to bring anything necessary to the satisfaction of the members. Thank you, Mr. Martin. And then, I got my things and hello. Shut come here. Say, Mama, that's about this song. If I told you to say, Director James, I want it. Ojira, say I'm to so I'm president, I'm a Mr. President, quiet, please. Honorable Five members, the invited guests, the media, and the fraternity of the film industry. I wish everybody a very good afternoon. My name is James Abuade, and I'm contesting as the president of Film Producers Association of Ghana, FIPA. On the ballot box, I am number 3 and the last. So I am Asia Hall. So when you are voting, look at the result of the way we market ourselves. Under my presidency, you're going to make sure that we will market the industry very well to attract the needed resources into the industry. Then financing is a challenge. If you go to the average Ghanaian bank, or will say, some in Sikabema, Sinifonia, some in Maubiko, China, Maya, the idea of fashion. They don't understand the industry. So we are going to speak. We are going to speak to authorities to understand us. We have Maslow. Just last 2 days, Kumasi Yakwata said, "About the lunch, 1 day, and I was privileged to be part or to be invited by the Chief Executive of Ghana Tourism Authority, Mr. Messiah. We had private chats. And Obisa said, how much each producer? Because we were talking about the finances. And Ghana, because if you are talking about tourism, the best vehicle
Argentina, Abani Pese, or pay attention. I was able to convince him. And the doctor said, if you win, you will sit down. We are going to arrange for a facility, a bit for Walmart, a bit for UNESCO. And they will arrange for us. Then our market is changing. Our market is changing. Yet to me, Entrance said we will not change. Because there is a saying that there's one thing constant under the sun. I gave our open hands Santa. Oh, we have a copy say, we have to say, and that is change. Whether you like it or not, change will happen. If you don't change, change will change you. And I was saying, the new markets are ever. So your pastor said we will continue to produce the singing or see this one. Now, how many people are importing DVD players? I'm not saying anything, the Paris have changed and they have overtaken us. So what numbers was in a movie now pen drive show? What are we doing? So Conformable has seen the wisdom in putting movie on pen drive. Now as film producers like and all enjoy marketing. Under my presidency, we are going to explore the new markets. Now, television everywhere. When we started this industry, we had only one TV station, GBC. Then Metro Pay, TV3, TV Africa. Now, how many do we have? All of them are showing movies. How much do they pay? Because we are weak. Our negotiation skill is very, very poor. Just this morning, Media General, they were here. Media General is the mother company of TV3, Onya TV, Akuma, and a whole lot of them. And they want to do business with us. So I told them we will sit down and discuss it. And already I've met the president of Ghana Independent Broadcasters Association, Giba. I've told you that we are coming to sit down with them and negotiate with them. Because if they want to be in business, then they have to help us to be in business. What they are paying to us now, it cannot help us to be in business. Under my presidency, we are going to do renegotiation. Movies are waiting, so they are contracted on island. They are going to throw in now. Now you have a better negotiation. We have to build an industry. They say, yes, happen. Actors guild, directors guild, film crew, you know, set the culture center, director Kanye. And then we can Mr. Kanye. With united force, we can influence the scheme in the country. Thank you.
Eti yadu soro ibacho mo fa mo ko na metina anymore. Mo be so fa pa je me je ko so mo trust. Mo trust ni wo.
Eno ano. Le me tru.
Ayi we. Big J. Catch it. Let's say wa mo mo anya lo personal. Eti bi o. Ni pe nu bi se bi asan ya ba na ni pe ni bi se person.
Right, we say my side.
You do se bi se.
But your ability to about to resist two resistance about two. Eti whatever anybody know ever let me so ever stand and whatever personal issue what kind of record you know personal issue yeah and fiber and also 18 yeah the whatever and who are people send out because you never can be our only every family it is a personal attack it's a question you
will down come. Number one, a cooking of Happy Banda.
Yo, Abu Happy Banda, the question will be serving the man, and then
knowledge NASA, obedience of NASA. So I have to combine those two so everybody can share.
Second question, Brother James. Brother James, and Brother James. One of the questions is Brother James. Who has a question, Brother James?
Yeah, Brother James, I wish you well. Many work programs. Okay, about festivals. Minister Fespaco here. With Fespaco, a lot of filmmakers come to Fespaco to acquire or to hire equipment and come to Ghana. We have that of currently as we speak. You need research into our system of film. In Nigeria, we have 2,000 films produced in a year. We know how much goes into any revenue, how much they do in expenditure. What will it do for us?
Thank you, Emma. I've been to Miakasante Macau Film Festival. My name is Obiake Schwarzenegger Film twice. Omamo, I had twice. You know what class of one over say, Eddie Como. A true film festival, and we have that opportunity. How many Americans, how many British, and our film festival or America, and we have that opportunity. So film festival is very, very necessary support. Naya ministry also our support. You are about to be farmers, a problem new technology, new techniques. Everything I get about fire. Is it not part of one district, one factory? So who tells me here? Look at the number of people you have brought. It is part of one district, one factory, one village, one bag. Question for your questions go to Kero Boga.
Thank you. Good afternoon, colleagues. I'm saying, Okasa Kama. Now, Okasa Bukandia. I have been a part. I saw my class because over the years, we go say, the media, the 24 way you do, all lost. But in Okasa, you're going to unite the 24, you mentioned some few names. This is my question. How? Tell us how.
Your first society, a clear who see that look at the foundation of the profile of it. By then, because of the obeying everyone. Kata and the eventually individual. Now, the Jacob now so I was now, that's a class transportation and the Jacob. Your best budget and not out of one time you're calling. The year budget and to one. Here was here, Papa, never on what anything. As a proper now, this is your not only a need now 5 at the podium because if you be a penny, said the previous ambassador from one. If you be a penny, you look at your attitude towards if you are a but the penny will fear you put me in the air so what I said. by the casa, that is Sunday number one. Nay, said the Bible said, for you, man, near the word near, there is grace there, there is trust. Near is a means when you're 100 years, now we deserve what? Me from now. Because your work makes you be a leader. If you are a leader, may you up budget in that one. Now, the letter for me, so now my from when you deal with me, follow and say, no, we now back. Now, what to when you say, Papa, for Yatina say, dear, but yes, if you really are not in but my picture behind it, just a year. And when you come to it, you go big WO and 12 o'clock. You go big 1 o'clock, and you're going to 12 o'clock. In terms of mission is concerned, 1 o'clock minimum, who best 12 o'clock in Nasi? Now, you have flow when you dear one so. Now, you know, now you hear how to my name. Now, even 5-pack lawyer, you hear from a council of elders now, and a bit to Sula Yamaye. 2, on the scientific discipline committee within themselves. It is a meeting of government, a national mechanism of implementation and go beyond the members now. They will call you to order because they are the legitimate owners. On one mandate. And in the yes, of 2 for next year, let me go in this industry down.
Someone wear a cover of this. But first we cover of this. Yes.
Mr. James Koshika. And what can be said or better, can say producers or better say or better directors with the and answer find another first one. Because we say your problem by your problem is that you are a woman. Actually, we are going to sell on your way, we should lose on you. In German industry, no answer on your doing. You say, so we try some of the casa, Yabu. The person who found a person on the Kayabu.
You can live in the answer. The attorney said, yes, the industry is not doing well. Not because they are not, and there are no artists. Not because there are no directors. Not because there are no crew members. It is because directors and producers don't have money. So when the producer has problems, they affect you here. And no Nayana Yentia say papa. And you can be said, fiber and also to provide leadership. 85 some leadership will provide but a smaller way. Your location, the producer, Wafre actor, Wafre crew, Wafre Obia, now only the leader. And one said, after a problem of the catching a lot solve. Cameraman a problem of the catching a lot solve. I don't think I am for the larger picture. Yan cassette, as if I make a cassette, after American Producers Association. Because there were actors' problem, and the producers' problem. But there was a one platform. I didn't this year. To say something like a full federation. A federation, you will be our representing actors for home. You will be our representing producers for home. You will be our representing other people. You will be our representing Obia. Now, you did home and come home. Oh, and you might have for me, actor. Actors say we are doing ABC. Actors is producers doing ABC. Now you are George. The idea of a collective decision. They take decision here one man. A band of the American and maybe Yabani, Yvonne Nelson, and Kofi Addo. That I know there was a pseudo situation. From
phone in the next year. I had a balance. That time, Jackie Apia, being a senior actress or location, and seeking permission, say, or back over you are passing up. And I produce an director too. A two races at that one. Time to say your boy. If on us would say Jackie, or Jackie Cordia, or no super call, oh, too far also, and a boy. And I said, never call. I mean, sub body, and I may have suspended the design and the discipline by because that a whole not actors for, not producers for, not directors for, and the poor nearly gave me back said, no, if I disregard the industry will disregard me. So if I can't now put someone to go there, it really affected her. That is why you need to sit together and find solutions to our problems. And yes, actors now find solutions. And your producers now find them.
Okay, go ahead. Maunya.
Yo, I'm for this is maybe the Sunday body Talaka. I am being here or Nancy Femina. Bimia, Okasa, the bar, managing Mumba. Now, we see unity, and just in I and Campbell. Now, in the world, so the Okasa will be our personal life. You are able also to general, really, is happening, and yet say your personal life for it is sound. Anytime you are said you will be a problem, was you would be. You would be, yes, say, 85 200. So, only in that program now, go to be a news. Now, go to be a news, what is our catcher? The campaign of the person already president. It's not myself. It's not that year. And the top so, and I said, you will get it. Let us say.
Or the teacher has money and some lack of respect. I request you can be master. Also, the teacher, Obeka said, Obeka, the person also. Oh, I'm pointing the papa to my boy in industry. I will extend it now. So I answer that. The people are going to go who we are. Who for me, they identify the trend now. The amount of people are going to now, let's let me we are not doing personal to you, please. Please, at times we take care of person for justice. As a corner, you can be advancement. The power child.
In 1900, so we fear under my leadership. So it is time for me to wake up to wear the mantle of Yasa Tua. And I will not deny any woman any opportunity. Thank you.
But Fakoshi will come here.
Yes, I think we are talking about the marketing. I'm talking about the marketing aspect. Those days, my tone is more marketers, distributors, retailers, Martin. Now, all to you to mind. It's like you're scattered. Obiana on the bed. When you become our president, what are you going to do to help us set your market and your marketing system and the Ababa? Thank you.
Market now come as a come so far because the distributive the market the producer. Yeah, say a change you brought at your bench and then TV is why 81 more thing say premiere and once and said that once and 5 activities no TV premiere. I don't need you TV, yeah, normal trans, yeah, normal out of sense. Yeah, best one is a whistle. Now, the TV premiere, now 1 and 2 this year. Yeah, before the 1 and 2, why a region, yes, I have a adverts and now we really prepare for it. Now, they have adverts, it's moving with you or reading, now TV premiere adverts, so yeah, why? Now you 1 and 2. Yeah, you 1 and 2. Never so back the market. 80. You need to be a almost come. Some year Kasa. You let me know China go chat. They was with DVD. Now as marketers, yes, now the time you are 5-pack water. Now you are really coming. Almost if you know what you are, near to people that PhD, the video was still you are going region by region. As the sun digital and a woman in arm or the DVD womb, that demands the next TV premiere or making my movie long, 7 patrol of the movie 1 and 2, 1 to 4. Demands in the back, then you come to 5-pack office for the right. Yeah, who and Casa Street. Over 5-pack office because then you have the right to TV premiere in Norman. Aside that, you better have the bill said. You better the whole region, 10 regions, 16 regions now we have. You better make sure say you better open our Tikasa, G, SRT, Takasa. So this is really important. After Toma, say there's a Tikasa from Ashanti to North. Now say you're motivated to every voter region. You better some white change, now they go voter region Casa. Now what's why they move in to say it's a bit now you bring in Casa, you better go for 5-pack office. I will make a cassette here. Who told the Apple Water and Yamaka? The Apple no. It's moving to never a northern 5-pack movie. And yet I can't. Moving to never a Santi movie or not. And yet I we have to do all this to support the image of this industry. Thank you.
Last question. Last question. Which one of these? Last question. I'll give you the eight. What else it is never true. America will manifest America the new market. And it says the same. If you are now a coordinator, if you are now the internet, and don't I to me quiet. And if you are impediments and you will see your mind. I didn't know it because YouTube. Now what you should be all free. Now people say okay, from yes, you are a physical mobile wallet. So now more data as I want to share. These are the challenges. And as I said, you're the biggest market was if you are able to develop mobile app, I am better
new over. Obiti, Greenlander, because of access of internet, Obiti be access. So we need to negotiate with the telcos. Obi will data our phone swap. And also with the movie. Apparently, this is the mobile wallet. And what I tell them, they don't want. TVs now, TVs have increased. The networks have increased. We need to explore that. And I see, you know, CD now can lose her. So see, I can say, Ghana government, and they decoded, and then I will get to be able to decode Ghana. What they write, you know, Ama, start time. It is start time for our producing decoders. As they are going around Ghana, distributing them free. Have we made any books? No. That is why we need to get to them. Now, they say, decoder should have a CD-ROM, another CD slot, and a pen drive slot. If the movies slow, as you say, the movies on pen drives. Because piracy, that is what they are doing. It is a movie, what you need on pen drive. Now say, you want to go down with here, another TV, the TV 7 now, a pen drive slot one deal. It is our pen drive, so the party is on top, not their set, the TV, the decoder, the market, but in past, you know, the same one market. Market, you know, a movie. Yana, I'm telling you, sir, marketing, we will explore and benefit from the market. Thank you.
Last question. Why did we that question? What was the question? Last one.
I think that why are here? Because you move over a platform to what's it? What you can but when you are to group, you're quite a resign, but also no. Where be here or fighter? Where be here as a leader? Why are they the Taku could do next but or come away here? I know that
Hello. Good afternoon. Hello. My question goes to Mr. James. Mr. James, I need some clarifications. You see, there's this proven that if you see a road, it's not going for free. Either it's going to a house or to the farm. You never see a road just lying down there or just a path. It leads to a house or... So I'm saying that it's clarification.
Let me try to say, what the room was here, and then it's up.
The next question is, Mr. James, you are going to be a leader in case you are voted, and everything has to do with monies. How will you secure our monies for us so that we will benefit from that, so that we don't get injuries?
Thank you. That is good. Thank you, Mr. Rashi. You have 2 minutes.
If you look at the financial position of FICA, every member at the end of every year pays 126. looking at our activities that we do, it means we do not limit enough. So it will be very sad and pathetic on my part to sit down unconcerned to make and allow our money to be dissipated in any manner, but rather I should protect it and look for other avenues to generate money for the organization to the benefit of everybody. We cannot allow just few individuals to find some excuse to enjoy the money. The money is for everybody. And per our constitution, the president has veto power. If any money is going out, and to me, it is not going to be put to prudent use. Mr. Rashid, I'm assuring you that I will use my veto power to block the usage of that money. Thank you.
If the vice president and the secretary also remember about financial secretary, so remember about treasurer, sorry, then I now PRO, the now, if you are the executive members, not one year department, son,
Guaro, Parliament Zoma, Loa. Come now, hotel man. Change the check at the chanting check. Hotel.
Isaac Ofori being born, Evans to me, a chair about here to me. The man, Mamma, that you are my 100 chair. Yet can find my son, I said, Medinas. Yet cannot say. All opposed and majority, when I came out, all opposed and should secure more than 50%. More than 50% of the valid votes cast before they can be declared winners. It's a 1 brand now. The 50% valid voter won't win your winner. But they say how popular you are. It's across the world. The person for the executive members, delegates are to vote for 2 candidates. The first 2 with highest votes will be declared winners. Say, about what's about my family. It is anybody who only winners. The whole positions are can be only. First part, the post principle will be applied to declare winner. First part, the post will be a simple majority. It is a winner now, we are 100. Then 51. That's all about one. They say you have 51. We're done here 49. It is simple mathematics. 80% a year. It's a anybody now, we are the agent. Everybody do about the kind of work. As I said, the trunk can't get about one woman now, the amount of copy. The person we are.
Ibanda Kwame Adjumani.
Louis Saint-Charles, Benjamin Capo, Maouli Ekepita, Blas Efrié, Joseph M, Sébastien C, Samuel Shane Asante, Samuel, John Jett, Frank Hossein, Nanaya Okusi, Clement K. Inti, David Mensah, Emmanuel Ankwa, Ernest Bouamponsen, Fosu Echam.
Akan TV, the internet, the bell, subscribe for more.